Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming device capabilities and gathering hardware. This is critical because Bluetooth profiles differ. Power on headset and TV, then enable Bluetooth on both units. If your TV lacks native Bluetooth, plug in a transmitter to the optical or 3.5mm jack. This creates a sync for audio. Once done, set both devices to pairing or discovery mode. You do this first so the next steps can pair cleanly and avoid repeated resets later. Now you execute the pairing sequence so audio and controls route correctly. In your headset, enter Bluetooth settings and scan. Meanwhile, make the TV or transmitter discoverable. Once the headset detects the TV name, select it and confirm any PIN. This links profiles like a 2DP for audio or HID for controllers. After pairing, go to TV audio output and choose Bluetooth, and then fine-tune headset volume. This prevents clipping and ensures latency testing goes smoothly before gameplay. Finish by verifying sync and stability. Play a short video to check audio latency and lip sync, because wireless delays vary by codec and hardware. If you notice dropout or control lag, unpair and repair the devices, and restart both the headset and TV to clear stateful errors. Make sure to try alternate Bluetooth codecs or move interfering devices. If problems persist, use a wired HDMI or audio adapter as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.